Hi everyone! Get ready with me! Get ready ka saan? Where are you going, ma'am? Somewhere else. Very not good angle, guys. Dibutang naman ako somewhere. Yeah. Very delicate. The sun's not hitting my face. It's still early, it's gloomy, and yet I feel so sweating. Now my blush is nowhere to be found, guys. Is it kaya? So usually I put sunscreen first because guys, nagsugod na pong makeup. So please bear with me. This is like a very cheap and not giving craft threading to, but I'm bored. My sponge is not here also. I'm breaking out, guys. So my concealer is from BLK in the shade Buttermilk. Hindi makita. Okay, just blend it out with my fingers because, as I said, this is like a very cheap get ready with me. Tap. Guys. So I'm gonna stay here. So I'm going with an errand. I'm going to an errand during today. And this is like a sponty plan. We planned it yesterday, last night, and it didn't happen. So we're making it happen today. It's Sunday. I haven't gone to church yet. We're going at 2 p.m. maybe. It's like maybe 9 in the morning. My heart is not really in the good state right now because you know na, I can spill it out. Maybe I'll cry. So that's it. So I just put Carmex on my lips because it's so dry. Maybe because, you know, when you use lipsticks all the time, it darkens your lips more. I don't know if it makes sense. So hot. Why is it so hot? Hindi lang ito windows. I hope it's here. No guys, I've planned to buy brushes from Dala, but it's too pricey for now. I can't afford it yet. But maybe soon. I have many debts to pay. So my brows is not giving also. Hello guys, it's starting to... The sky is starting to bright. Yeah, I hope India is gone far from the Philippines. Because the weather is making me more sad. I also like that, guys. When it's gloomy, you feel like so sad. I don't know why I bought this laminator and I don't know how to use it. I don't know if it does the work or I don't know how it works. It's so frustrating. He said to spread your brows like that and then you make it look up. Does it look good on me? Am I doing it right, guys? I'm trying to buy new products, guys. Okay. I'm getting older. I should look nice, right? Especially now. I should look nice now for myself. To feel myself better. Oh, eh. Small too. It made my brows red. It's itchy. I don't know how to do these brows. But we're learning. We come to learn. Right? I haven't uploaded anything on my YouTube because yeah, I'm sad. And YouTube would let me remind of someone. Oi! Ipagbugay-bugay, Juti. I'm sweating, guys. It's not good. Should I let the fan out? Wait. It's like the worst fan ever. If you carry it, the legs will be falling apart and it doesn't stand. So I have to get all of the legs or like the feet. So couple, guys. This is very hassle fan. I don't recommend that you buy this. Try this out. Swim Chaser. So yeah, I love it. I love the air. I don't know. My other watch is missing, and I don't know where it is. I need to find it because I need it. So this one is from, the laminator, guys, is from Lucky Beauty. I don't know if I saw it on TikTok and they said it's nice, but I know I'm the problem. I don't know how to use it properly. That's why I can say it's like so nice. We're trying. I don't know, my brows looks bad. It really looks bad. You know, guys, this Conbella, this is worth your very little money because it does the job. I've been using this for like 7 months already, and it's like it's very, very, very last portion of it's the last gel that it has inside. So it's begging me to buy another Queen Bella because I don't usually use pen to like fill in. I just use the brow gel because I'm not really a very good brower. I don't know how to make do my brows very well. Si brow gel magod guys kay ano gid mo siya dayon it does the job, but not today. Sometimes no, I see my brows very snatched, and sometimes it looks very funny. Like today, it looks funny. It looks very arrowed, but whatever it is. So I'll have another batch of the concealer because the under eye is not giving, guys. Grabe ang pagka-black. Wala akong panda, guys. Panda na ko padulong. And you know, guys, I'm trying to have many side quests right now because I want to divert my attention. Char. You know, guys, na-quick classes sa akong masters, guys, pero it's not the side quest that would put me into unsa man kanang happy mood. Hindi gid siya giving, guys. Mukha jud ka nga ma-divert ang inyong attention or whatsoever. So yeah, I'm looking for my eyeliner, guys. I feel like naa siya sa akong pink nga bag. Steady lang mo, guys. Please, ayaw maglihok. Okay. Lagi siya dito, guys. Wala akong ko na po sa akong mga hood. And for my blush, tagan kikungkuan, guys. Kidding, guys. This has been with me since October last year. And daghan pa ka siya sunod, guys. Ambot. Ako na lang gini siyang i-let go. Kaya marag dili ko niya i-let go. Ay? So, mo na siya. Ako ang mag-let go ni mo, ha? Kay I feel like dili na po kayo ka mo color. Like before. Na-miss yun ko before. Itong first na ko nga pagkailaan nga blush. Wow. It does the job for its price. This is very cheap, guys. So, wala po ko nag-workout guys. Like, ever. Dili pang po good ko sensitive skin. I feel. Kaya, dili pang po ko acne prone. Very oily lang din ko, guys. Wow. Makeup buro yarn. Blush blindness. Grabe siya kung mag-blush, guys. Sometimes kaya I feel like too much na pag kayo siya. Isipan na gawin ko, guys. My God, kayo ba ano? I left my white somewhere. Can you guys giggle? I very love wipes and kanang mga tissues. Jugo may mutang if I run out with it. Pero sometimes may mutang jugo kay because of poverty. So kani nga giggles, amazing kini siya kay literal alcohol gid siya no. I thought like kanang ano siya marag alcohol gamay pero dili siya gamay, guys. Kung ibutang ipahid din siya simong tarlables mag-aso-aso di siya, guys, tungod sa alcohol. Excuse me, guys. Uy, kadaghan. Ano po kayo, guys, eh? Lovesick ang good ko, guys. Lovesick is really good, eh? So, maot na din na ito ko yung brush para sa ko ang blush, o, diba? This is from Shein, like, college pa ko, ani. Magamit ang tanak ko ni kung napat akong blush diri karon nga powder from Lifelay. Kita na po na ko itong isa na ko na get ready with me diri sa YouTube. So, okay na ba ni nga face? Okay na ba ni? Do I look like less dead to you guys? Or guys look dead? Because ang goal na ko today is to not look dead. This is a gift from, you know na. I'm not mention his name para makabubuan tayo pa. Over na ha. So, mao to guys. I'll have, what do I have next? Ganun kay ko mag-tight lining kay feel na ko kay ang ako bitang makeup look guys. Kay feel na ko kay bagay dyan kay ko mga body. Body! Ay, ko na. Sobrang Latina, di ba guys? Look, wala siya kung dyan na guys. Yan, order akong genre. Super Latina nga mga genrahan. This is Happy Skin. Wala pa siya weeks ako about look. Kapit na siya magkatunga. I thought I bought the bigger size. Dayan. Kagkaroon. Dayan yung travel size ako napalit. Samok. Doon ako isa anada yun. Hindi na ako siya shade. Buang. Di mo ko katagad. Uy, maadun ako pagaduan guys. Tapos, I can't wait. I've run out of makeups na bitaw dahil random lang yun siya nga gabi nga. I thought of having makeups and learn makeup. So, I try to purchase makeup products. Bisag dili ko kabaloon sa akong undertone. Sa akong tone ako. Sa mga ringtone naman ako nilang guys. Uy. Manong mga tone din. No, lisod. Feel ako kay lisod siya studyhan. Next time na lang kung mag-study sa akong mga undertone and mga ringtone dira. Ano siya. Yun ang akong powder. Forever. Ponds. Saan eh? Magic Powder BB. Makadamdun ako sa akong BB yan eh. Juan, it does the job. I super like it. Ang lindot ano guys, kung naabita siya katong itang sponge, kaya kanang nalagay siya applicator, kaya kung inani, kaya mabilikid siya, dilikid siya kanang girly ang atake, dilikid siya kanang clean girl ang atake, mamaragid to. Basta sa moto guys, naglibot siya ko kung saan ako kumabok para bitang mature food ko. Ay, saba. Mahimo ko. Kanang saba, kanang dili kay ko kanang alimuot lang taon. Naglibog pa jud ko. Magita sa kong kwarta guys. Kay magpa-makeover. Kay ko sa kong buhok hawa. Ning lang yun. Kay your hair puts a lot difference on your face. Believe ko. Uy sa believe ha. So, ano siya. Kailan po na ko, Jude, nga na-Jude, ano bitang significant difference. Ang imong hair sa imong face lock. So, ganahan kay ko ano. Kung mo guys, ako na siyang gigamit sa akong Uy! Sa akong ka-ano guys. Sa akong crush na lang. Sige. Sa akong crush. Ano siya? Wow, nice. Ano ko? Nice. In the shade Nostalgia. Sa mo to siya. Ako na siyang daloon. Ako sa gitang sa ako. Jeans. Unta di siya mawala. Please, Lord. Kuan. Hindi ko magdalagbag kay kapoy. Hindi na ko feel. Hindi ko feel mong sa mga bag. So, mga tswa. This is the final look. Do I look like less dead inside? At least, diba, inside na lang dead. Sa outside, medyo murag put up rapod tagamay. Tabo na gigay ko, guys. Guys, maniwang rajud ko, guys. Sulat ta rajud na. Ira. Bitaw. It's not too late for me to reach my... Wala pa dyan ko yung prime, guys. I swear. Mas lang, prime. Wala pa dyan ko yung prime. Siguro na ako sa mga late 20s ko or baka prime. Ay, budget guys. Uy, ba't gusto daw ko guys? Tulong-tuhig na dyan ako ni St. Joseph pero dyan ko yung napundar guys. Ay, ambot lang bitaw. Ambot lang po nga no. Wala ko nga mas snatch na. Kaya ako bilis ko. Ay, sobrang Latina. Mga sikip-sikip, mga inana, good. Oh, akong mata kay galuyag yapon, guys. Pero whatever. Saan man na, be? Control ba rin nato na? So, unsa man akong hair? Ana lang. Dala pa ba akong sudlay? Unsa ba? Or ana, una na ako kay mag-drive akong motor, good, guys. Eh? Hindi siya sobrang Latina po ning mag-drive-drive tag motor. Gusto ko mag-tight lining. Karang smoky eyes. Pakaan. Wala mo na kung eyeliner guys. Grabe, 20 minutes na to. Mo to, i-post na ko nisa kong YouTube nga very raw. YouTube. Mara mo na siya diary na ko guys. And to save storage. Pero mo ka-storya guys. Sige na lang ko video ani guys. Sige na lang good. Wala mo dira. Kaysa naman mga what no. May na lang ni kaysa mga what. Final look. Na may difference. Wala na. Sige guys, kikilot. Gilot na ko ni Jewel guys. Na suko na dito suko kay. Sofrer lang ngayon ang babae. Sofrer lang ngayon kaayo. Di pa ba ko'y kwarta? Ang bubi. Ang sa tamo guys ha. Oh no. Hindi kaya ramang gulo niya. Kaya pa. Akong Huawei band guys. Yan ni siya kamang wag. Bago pa ni siya. Ang kamot lang ani guys kay mabuling siya. Kay naginganahan matag pink. O tanaw dali ra siya mabuling. Sa inagi guys payat gyud kay po ay. Uy. Kay kuan. Diri na ako na ilak tapit. Uy ha. So, mga to guys. Kabuang mo may pastorya guys. Bye!